coming back slow. Easy now, easy. And hold it right there.
Curvature check complete. All parameters are within tolerance.
Confirmed. Micro defect scan shows no anomalies.
A little lower on your left. Bring it down 50 centimeters. Watch the alignment on the spar. "45 foot-pounds, checked, approved. Move to the next section." Alignment confirmed. Good job, team. Secure the fasteners.
I've got this side clear. Watch the wing clearance on bay 4.
Altitude holding steady, preparing for horizontal traverse. All teams confirm green status on the trajectory path.
Speed is holding steady at 0.05.
Confirmed. Alignment looks good.
Hold position, bring it down 2 centimeters, very slow.
Copy that, 2 centimeters slow. Steady.
Check section 4B again. We need the tolerances tighter on the starboard side.
Already on it, boss. Looks good.
The tolerance on this joint is reading high.
Cross-reference with the baseline data.
All right, pull it through slowly. Watch the clearance on that rib.
Got it, almost there.
Make sure it's secure before we clamp it down.
Slow down, easy now. Okay, pull faster.
It's moving smoothly here.
Looks clear, keep going.
Continuity check on the blue line.
Hear the beep? It's solid.
All right, mark that one complete.
Calibration stable. All green now.
Confirmed. Pressure monitors are nominal.
Fans are online. How's the diagnostic look?
Green across the board, we are good to go.
Check voltage on bus 3.
Reading nominal, transitioning to green.
Confirmed. Systems check complete.
Applying heat to section gamma.
The contour looks good. Nice seal.
Alignment is perfect. This section is secure.
Moving to the next bracket.
Okay, try the hinge now. Moves freely. Clearance is good. Clear the bay, coming up slowly. Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Holding steady at 3 degrees, we are aligned.
Roger that. Engaging torque wrench now.
Pressure is holding steady at 50 psi.
Listen closely. I think I hear a small leak near the valve.
Look at that. Perfect installation.
The illumination is very consistent.
Director is reporting. The hydraulic pressure is fluctuating slightly outside parameters.
I hear a faint squeal near the main pump assembly. See the fluctuation here at the seam?
Yes, but it's within tolerance. The ventilation is handling the overspray well. I'll smooth out this junction now. Keep an eye on the pressure.
Looks good from here. Nice and even.
Found some imperfections on this panel.
Okay, I see them glowing. Mark it down.
Check the seam right above the landing gear.
I see it. Logging the data now.
Alignment complete, Supervisor.
Looks perfect. Documentation verified? Go ahead.
Pressure reading is slightly high on valve 3. Check the logs for the last calibration date. Got it. Cal date and adjustment noted.
Sequence complete. We have full green across the board.
Confirmed. Telemetry looks solid. Pressure looks good on the main strut.
Data stream confirms synchronization at apex.
Noted. Ready for extension.
That section looks good. Confirmed. We armed. We are clear for sign-off on Zone 4.
All right, clear the area. We are moving out. Copy that. Watching the left wing.
Looking good. Keep it steady.
Tow bar locked and secure. Roger. Clear to move. Commence tug. Keep it coming slow. Left side clear. Approaching the stand. Stand by. Do stop.
Reading unstable on channel 4. Verify the connection.
Confirmed. The readings are stabilizing now.